Hi everyone, let's solve question number 43. Let the function f be given by fx equals to x plus x square sine pi by x, and the other part is 0 for x equals to 0. Okay, we have to find out the value of f dash 1 minus f dash 0. So let's try to find out the value of f dash 1. So since we have been asked derivative at x equals to 1, so we'll be using this function. We can directly find out the derivative over here. So fx equals to x plus x square sine of pi by x. So f dash x would be 1 plus 2x times cos of pi by x, not cos of pi by x over here, sine pi by x plus x square dot cos of pi by x dot minus pi by x square. So this gets cancelled out. So f dash 1 would be 1 plus, and if I put 1 over here, this becomes 0. So this becomes 0. And if I put 1 over here, this becomes cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1 and minus pi over here. So we're getting pi. So 1 plus pi is the f dash 1 value. Now we have to find out the f dash 0. Now the problem over here is people think that, okay, the function value is 0 at x equals to 0. So f dash 0 would be 0. But that's not the case, right? Because that is only possible when the function is a point function. We calculate f dash by calculating f dash x plus f dash x minus and c if both of them are equal or not. So basically we're looking at the vicinity and not exactly the point, unless the function is a point function at that point, right? So this is not a point function, right? So this is having values in the neighborhood by with the help of this function, right? So we'll be calculating the f dash 0 value with the help of basic principle. So f dash 0 plus equals to f of x plus h, sorry, limit h approaches 0, f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 divided by h. So this becomes limit h approaches 0, f of 0 plus h would be 0 plus h plus 0 plus h whole square sine of pi upon 0 plus h, right? Now divide by h. So this is 1. If this divide by this is 1. 1 plus h square sine of pi by h divided by h. So this gets cancelled. So we are left with 1 plus h times sine of pi by h. Now sine value is a finite value. It varies from -1 to 1, right? And h is infinitesimally small value that is very close to 0. So this becomes 1 only. A 0 multiplied by very small value, finite value, that is 0 only. So the limit becomes 1. Similarly, you can find out the value of f dash 0 minus, that would also be 1 only. So if you find out the value of f dash 1 minus f dash 0, you'll be getting 1 plus pi minus 1, that is pi. So C is the correct answer.